Thank you for your purchase of a spectral locator. The purpose of this movie is to get you familiarized in a short way with the functions of your locator. For further information, please study your user's manual. The rods are balanced by having the arms at right angles, but a little declined. Practice enough until the antennas are balanced and not moving around. Not only learn how to balance the antennas, but also learn how to walk and have the antennas balanced. To achieve this, walk equal steps and at a stable speed. The antenna amplifier uses a 9-volt battery. This is the battery compartment. This is the weight check control of the antenna amplifier. The starting position is always at left. When a target has been discovered, turn this dial fully to the right and scan again. If it is a small object of weight less than 1 kilo, it will be no longer detected by the antennas. Bury a sample target to practice at a radius of 20 meters from spectra. Water the sample to receive a stronger indication. Spectra is activated automatically with ground contact. only if this specific ground spot is able to absorb its energy. This way, errors of poor ground contact are avoided, and the machine will not turn on at places where it cannot transmit. Measurement to identify ground minerals. Spectra uses this data to avoid false targets and interference. After selecting search mode, increase the transmit frequency 250 Hz to avoid interference from minerals. Various metal alloys respond to different frequency settings. Experiment with your own sample targets while using the arrow keys to set up to different output frequencies. Confirm search mode and wait for the ground charging process to complete. It is advised to wait 15 minutes after the start scanning message. This is to get a better discrimination, and then start searching. Walk circles 3 meters away from ground probe. If a target exists, rods will align to each other when crossing the energy line between ground probe and the target, showing to us the target direction. To center the target, walk like an S towards the target direction. Rods are aligned when cross the target energy line, or otherwise stay open. A light electrical signal may be experienced also. When the user has passed the target, rods stay open. Target lies between this spot and the last received indication. Place a steel rod at the energy line and walk circles between this rod and the ground probe. Magnetic interference is cancelled this way, but a true target continues to respond. Use a similar metal sample as a bait. Position it 15 meters away from target spot. Antennas should only point to target but not our sample. It is better that the sample is watered and left for 10 minutes. To pinpoint the target accurately, remove spectra main unit from the ground probe and walk like an X over the target area. Mark the spots when the antennas cross and open from the two directions. These four marks can draw a perfect circle in the ground surface. The approximate target depth is equal to the circle radius. To better pinpoint the target, a handheld metal detector can also be used.